Okay guys, this is Suna once again signing in YouTube. Today guys, I want to teach you another tutorial. Unamas tutorial. The title of my tutorial is this. Unamas tutorial, how to put missing OCX DLL files without Windows XP, Vista, Windows 7 without going to System 32 of your computer. Okay? So let's do this guys. First, for example, I have a downloaded a program, okay, a Yahoo Tools. Then I will open it, and okay, missing OCX DLL files without going to System 32 of your computer. Okay, now I will clicking applications. As you can see, it says component darkline OCX or one of which depends not correctly registered or file of missing is or invalid. So this means there's a missing OCX in this file. So as you can see here, okay, it says component darkline OCX is missing. Okay, usually you put it, you download a required OCX DLL files and you put it in your System 32, right? But I will show you another trick and another way to put a missing OCX DLL files. What you want to do is, as you can see, I have darkline OCX already, and what you want to do is just so simple to put on a missing OCX file Unamas style without going to System 32 of your computer. You just drag in the icon inside the program. If you're using WinRAR or Excel, doesn't matter. Just drag in the icon inside of the program tools or Yahoo Tools here, and just click in OK, and there it goes. It's inside the WinRAR, okay, inside the program. Okay, same goes when you're using Windows Vista or Windows 7. Okay, you just make sure that you run it administrator. Okay, same goes with this. Just drag in the icon inside the Yahoo Tools or whatever you downloaded and just run it in a administrator. Okay, now let's see. Just click in applications. Okay, there it goes. As you can see, the program is open already. Okay, so simple, so fast, and I might as well say so safe, because as we all know, as many knows, if you put in a some OCX files in System 32 of your computer and it has a virus, you might as well go reformat your computer, because when System 32 of your computer has been attacked by a virus, 80% or 75-90% you will go for a reformat. And this is way too safe and too fast. Okay, just drag in the icon inside the Yahoo programs or whatever you have downloaded with missing OCX files, and that's it. You don't have to go to System 32 of your computer and register it. Okay, just simple. So this is Unamas signing out. Hope you do like my tutorial, and sayonara guys. Bye.